Bay Automotive Bay Cars.com is honored to present a wonderful example of pure vehicle design. This 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring only has 29,850 miles on it, and could potentially be the vehicle of your dreams. With a Carfax buyback guarantee, you can be confident with your purchase at Bay Automotive Bay Cars.com. If any issues reported to the DMV are not shown on the Carfax report, they'll buy your Chrysler back at the full purchase price. This genuinely stunning Town & Country Touring has about everything a family needs in a vehicle. The Chrysler even comes equipped with entertainment package that will keep your passengers easily occupied. This Chrysler Town & Country Touring is in great condition both inside and out. No abnormal wear and tear. The paint on this Town